How to log out your account on Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here tap on settings. So now we're in this settings interface. This is the place where you can find different options and settings. Now, here on the right top, tap on this three dot icon and here you'll be able to find Logout. Simply tap on Logout. Here on the bottom there's a Logout button. Tap on Logout. Now make sure you have your user ID and password saved for later, cause if you log out you might need it. So simply tap on Logout and it's done. So you have been completely logged out from your account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.